If one paycheck is all you rely on, you're skating on thin ice. Today, I'll share a plain, repeatable system to manage several income streams without turning your life into a spreadsheet. This isn't a flash-in-the-pan trick. It's a simple framework you can apply in weeks, not years. Picture income as a crew on a boat. Each member has a job, pace, and cost, but they all keep the voyage going. When the crew works in rhythm, the boat moves smoothly. If one member overworks or stalls, the balance gets off and the voyage slows. The first move is to map what you already have. Pull together every income source you currently rely on. List main job, side gigs, rental income, dividends, and any passive projects. Be honest about reliability and the effort each one requires. Use a simple one-page map. Columns: stream name, monthly net, time cost, risk, notes. If you have a salary, a freelance project, and a rental, write them at the top. Then estimate the monthly cash flow from each and total them. Label streams as core, passive, or experimental. Core pays most needs and requires steady effort, while passive earns with less daily work. Experimental is your test bed for new ideas. Treat it as an investment with a clear stop rule. Next, set guardrails that protect your money. Guardrails are simple rules that stop you from chasing risk you cannot handle. Start with an emergency fund equal to 3 to 6 months of essential expenses. If you carry debt, plan a steady path to reduce high-interest balances. Decide your minimum viable monthly cash flow. That is the amount you must cover to stay afloat, even during a rough patch. Also set risk limits. No single stream should make up more than a fixed percentage of your monthly cash flow. We humans can only do so much in a day. Block time for each category and protect those blocks. Create 3 blocks: core work, growth tasks, and maintenance automation. Keep it simple and keep your calendar honest. Core work stays with your main job unless adjustments are necessary. Growth tasks push experimental ideas toward passive or core. Maintenance automation includes templates, dashboards, and recurring processes. The goal is to reduce the daily grind so your income streams run themselves more. Automation is your friend here. Set up repeatable templates and checklists for each stream. Use dashboards to watch numbers in real time. If a stream drops, you'll see it quickly. Outsource the repetitive work. A VA or freelancer can handle routine tasks, freeing you for strategy. Every week, review what worked and what didn't. Quick notes keep you honest and data helps you adjust. Every quarter, adjust based on numbers and goals. If a stream isn't contributing, decide whether to improve or pause. Treat the money from each stream as its own system. Open separate accounts or label transactions to keep clarity. Keep track of taxes, fees, and any required licenses. A clear record saves you stress at tax time. Consider taxes and liability. Set aside a portion for taxes from each stream and capture write-offs. Quarterly tax estimates and a quick consult with a pro can prevent bigger headaches later. The goal is to keep Uncle Sam from taking too big a bite later. Every 12 weeks, pick one experimental stream. Set a clear metric, a tight budget, and a stop rule. If the metric is met, move it toward growth or core. If not, pause and learn what holds it back. Stay mindful of taxes and liability. Set aside a portion for taxes from each stream and capture write-offs. Stay mindful of taxes and liability. Set aside a portion for taxes from each stream and capture write-offs. Stay mindful of taxes and liability. Set aside a portion for taxes from each stream and capture write-offs. Shiny object syndrome is real. Use guardrails and your top 3 streams as your compass. Create a simple KPI per stream. Examples: net monthly cash flow, time cost, and risk level. Diversify but stay sane. Mix different types of income that don't all hinge on the same market. Treat streams like plants. Water the thriving ones and prune the weak ones. Let's meet 3 ordinary people and see how they apply this. All of them have a day job and at least one side income. Alex has a salary, a small rental, and a print-on-demand shop. We map, guard, and block his time to keep it manageable. In 3 months, the print-on-demand becomes a steady, passive stream. The rental stabilizes with a simple monthly check-in. Ben has freelance work, dividend stocks, and an online course. He uses automation to handle most tasks and keeps reviews weekly. In 6 months, Ben sits on a calm mix where no single stream dominates. He is free to reallocate effort to the strongest performers. The plan isn't a finish line, it's a habit. Keep learning, adjust, and stay honest with yourself. Remember the core steps: map, guardrails, time blocks, automate, review, 12-week tests, tax, focus. A simple rhythm beats a big dream that never lands. If you found this useful, like, subscribe, and drop a comment with your current streams and which one you'll optimize first. I read every comment and I'll answer questions you have.